Hi, we are going to talk about the different type of antennas that we use in our telecom network. We talked about the different feeder cables and jumper cables earlier and the connectors, but those cables on the top of the antenna is connected with these kind of devices. We have a different kind of antennas here. We have a 4-port, we have 6-port, as well as we have 8-port of antenna. Now, there could be a different other type of antennas, but widely we use these antennas primarily in the network. Irrespective of the technology, this widely depends on the frequency, which frequency we are going to use. I'll give you some examples. So we'll start with the 4-port antenna. So this antenna, which is a little bit old embryo antenna, and it is having a 4 ports here. If you see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now these 4 ports on this antenna are specified to certain frequency. If you see, we have a 710 to 2180 megahertz, which is 2100 band, 1800 to 2100 band, and then we have the 824 to 960 megahertz. So we can either radiate 1800, 2100, or we can radiate the 800, 900 band through this particular antenna. Now, with these 2 ports, we have the kind of gain that can be provided, which is 2 cross 2. So both the ports will be, as this is a passive device, it will be transmitting and receiving both. But on the other side, it widely depends on what kind of ports we have on the radio module. We will see in one of the videos where we have shown the radio modules. One of the port is transmitting and receiving, but second one is just receiving. In that case, one port will be transmitting and receiving, but other one is just receiving. In that case, we don't have a MIMO enabled in that. But if we have both the ports on the radio module to be transmitting and receiving, in that case, it will be 2 cross 2 MIMO. More number of ports we are going to use for each frequency, it means we are going to have more higher MIMO category. In that case, we can go to 4 cross 4, 8 cross 8. So it depends on widely on the number of ports that we have on the antenna. So, and MIMO plays a vital role. Now, these antennas have certain set specification which we need to understand. So here we have number of ports, what frequency we are going to cater with it. We understand there are 2 ports for 18 to 2100 megahertz band, 2 ports for 800, 900 megahertz band. You can run 2G, 3G, 4G depending upon the kind of frequency band that has been allocated to the operator in that case. Now, these antenna also have certain important specification, like what kind of gain this antenna would have.